All right. Last time we came to the lab, we learned about snow, right? And we talked about things that were hot and cold. Does anyone remember what letter the word hot starts with?
H.
H, okay? So H-O-T is what?
Hot.
Hot.
O starts in my name.
Okay. And what letter does the word cold start with?
C.
Okay. So we learned about hot and cold. Now, today we're going to learn about things that make things hot. So who can raise their hand and tell me something that makes things hot? Madison?
When the stove is hot.
Okay. So the stove makes things hot. And what does stove start with? S. What else makes things hot? Yes?
The sun.
Ooh, the sun. And what letter does sun start with? S. Noah, what else makes things hot?
The sun makes your body hot.
Sun makes your body hot. But what other things besides the stove and the sun make things hot? Yes.
The microwave.
Yes, the microwave makes things hot. And what letter does microwave start with? M. What else makes things hot? Can you think of something else?
Hot.
Well, a pot, we put things in a pot to get hot on the
Why are we talking
on the
about
stove?
the things that we did last time?
Well, let's talk about more ways to make things hot. How else can we make things hot?
By putting things inside the oven.
Okay, good. An oven makes things hot. And what letter does oven start with? O. Okay. Now, what's something that we can use to make bread hot?
Me.
What can we use?
The stove.
We can use fire.
Microwave. Or the stove.
Okay.
Or
On
the
the
stove.
stove, but there's a special machine that we can put bread in to make it hot. What is that?
The stove.
No.
The stove.
No.
I know. It is a toaster.
Oh, a toaster. A toaster makes things hot. Now, let's look at all of these words. Microwave, stove, fire, toaster, sun, oven. Which one of those two things do you think is the hottest?
The sun.
The sun. The sun is the hottest, okay? Now, the sun can be very dangerous for people. If we go out in the sun, what could happen to us if we're out in the sun a long, long time? Yes.
You will burn.
You will burn. You get a sunburn. The sun burns you.
And you get freckles.
Yeah, and you could get freckles too. Now, what are some ways we can protect ourselves from the sun? What can we do to protect ourselves?
Umbrella.
Sorry?
Umbrella.
We can put an umbrella. Umbrella's going to make a shade so we shelter ourselves from the sun. What else? What else?
I use an umbrella for the wind.
Okay, he said sunblock. It's also called sunscreen. So it's a lotion that you put on that protects us from the sun. How many of you use that when you go out in the sun?
When are we going to start?
That's good. All right, now, so we have almost. So we have sunblock and we have an umbrella. I'm thinking of two more things that protect us from the sun. One starts with the letter H. What can protect us from the sun that starts with the letter H?
H starts in my name.
What
The
can we
letter
do?
H starts in my name.
What can we put on that starts with the letter?
A hat.
A hat. We can wear a hat. Okay? And what can we use to protect our eyes from the sun?
I know.
What can we use?
Glasses.
We can use sunglasses, right? It protects us. Now, today we're going to use the sun to make a magic trick. You like magic?
Yes.
Okay. I have very special paper in here. This is special sun paper. Okay?
How are
And
we gonna do
I'm
that?
going to show you.
I don't know how to do that.
Listen with your ears. If you take this sun paper outside and we take all of the items in this bowl and we put the items on the paper, all of these items are going to block the sun. It's going to shade the sun from the paper, and then the sun is so hot it's going to burn a picture of those things on the paper. It's like a magic trick, okay? All right, so now here's what you're going to do. In a moment, I'm going to tell each person to pick up a bowl in a moment, and I'm going to hand you a piece of paper. So when I hand you the paper, you're going to pick up the bowl, you're going to walk out, hang on a second, hang on. We're going to walk out to those red bricks. We're going to put our paper down, and very quick, we're going to put everything on the paper, and then we're going to bring the bowl back inside. And then we're going to wait for 5 minutes. Let's count to 5. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, we're going to wait 5 minutes, and then we're going to go get our paper and move everything off the paper and put it back in the bowl, and you're going to see the magic that the sun is going to burn those items, the pictures, onto the paper. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, right here. Come. Put the paper down. Where's your paper, Ryan? Go back and get your paper. And then you're going to get your bowl and you're going to go back inside.
I see a shadow.
You see a shadow. Why do you see a shadow?
Because I saw you
The sun is blocking the items.
I want you to make 1, 2.
Okay, we're going to wait.
Wow. That one is mine. Wow.
It doesn't take that long, Marley.
Yes.
Wow, look at how amazing they turned out.
Okay, show me your papers. Pick up your paper.
Marley, you have to stay there, buddy. Leave them there. Let's go inside and we'll try
The
again.
magnifying glass is not. I can't.
Let me see. Because it's clear. Remember we said that objects that are light take less light? And the ones that are darker, they take more light? So that's what happened. The magnifying glass is light, so it doesn't take that much heat. Look at me.
Madison, look what happened.
Take it off your face. Look at me. Okay.